Hi, my name is Prabhat Poddar and I am an equity portfolio manager and an intraday options trader at Ashirwad Capital. The coming quarter marks the end of the financial year 2023. This financial year, the equity markets within Nifty has seen a surge of 25% from March end 2023 until December. I believe that due to a strong earnings outlook and a supportive domestic economic environment, the Nifty could continue to break record highs with slight corrections on the back of profit booking and commodity fluctuations. I believe the leading NSE index Nifty 50 could see a 6 to 7% upside over Q4. The coming quarter entails significant international and domestic segments which will definitely sway the markets. On the domestic front, the country's general elections are due in March of 2024. On the back of the state elections, the markets expect and have priced in a BJP win, and a continuation of the BJP government will lead to an added boost in the domestic equity markets, whereas a contrarian decision could bring about a significant correction. Internationally, India appears as the go-to emerging market for global investments. This is due to our impressive GDP numbers of 6.7%, our stable and strong earnings outlook, and our stable monetary situation. Internationally, the markets are pricing in a more than 80% chance for the Fed to commence its rate cuts in March of 2024. If this goes to happen, there could be global FII inflows into Indian equities. I expect over the next quarter that the large caps will outperform the mid caps and small caps, breaking the current financial year trend. This would happen due to fairer valuations in large caps, as the mid caps and small caps have rallied almost double the Nifty's upside on a year-to-date basis. Furthermore, FII inflows as well are largely into the large caps and the Nifty, whereas the small caps and mid caps are mainly retail and DII backed. In terms of sectors, I believe the Q4 could see an outperformance in the banking, the financial services, the infrastructure, and the metal sector. The lion's share of FPI inflows in the first half of December were in financials. I believe that both the banking and financial sectors should outperform in Q4 due to improved credit demand from the economy and an increase in disposable income. Furthermore, both these sectors have been relative underperformers on a year-to-date basis, and an upward revaluation could be a safe bet for investors. The infrastructure sector could see a good performance and is largely linked to the general elections of 2024. The current reforms and projects in the country will have a continuation if the BJP stays in power, and this would be a huge bullish event and news for the sector. The metal sector is an other underperformer in FY23 and could gain some traction in the next quarter. Metals could see upside due to the cooling US dollar. Furthermore, a potential rate cut in March of 24 will lead to an increased gain in the metal sector. In terms of stocks, I believe the following three stocks could have outperformance in the coming quarter: Graphite India, Z Entertainment Enterprises, and Hindalco. The Graphite India stock has had a strong uptrend across all time frames and has formed a series of higher tops and bottoms. Furthermore, the breakouts in the stock has been accompanied with great volume, showing investor backing on the rallies. The product that Graphite India produces has defense, infrastructural, and steel applications, which are all growth industries in India. Z Entertainment over the last 2 years has given muted return to investors, and with the Sony India merger pegged to be completed in the next quarter, the company could see great upside, which is also supported by the technical charts. Lastly, Hindalco earlier this month breached its significant resistance at 510 rupees. Furthermore, Hindalco is also trading at a lower P/E relative to the industry averages, which shows an undervaluation of the stock. And the technical charts also suggest an upward trajectory for the same. Thank you. Have a great day.